Yeah, what a beautiful goal. First of all, I just want to speak about the beautiful goal the one and only TLP mntanami ikhangemuva. Even though like the boy today was kind of tested somehow, if like he didn't score this goal, hey, there were going to be a lot of humiliation rumors roaming around in public, on social media, not in public, on social media because everything very lately is just about social media, about the market, whatever. So it was it was an interesting game, especially on the boys' side, because it was first time. I believe so. It was first time about the boy was being tested, and somehow was tested by one of our players which I don't think ukuthi they have that huge of equality vele one Christian said, but the only thing I know one said in pace vele